So guys, today I am going to make moi moi. Very fast, very easy, very efficient way of making moi moi. I don't need to soak my beans because I don't have time for that. So I just blended my beans dry. And guys, guess what I have here? Moi moi cooking pouch. Isn't this revolutionary? Like, this has come to completely change the way you make moi moi. Guys, this is just amazing. So after you've mixed your moi moi, all you need to do is put it in these pouches, guys, and you boil. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. This is amazing, trust me. Time for our moi moi pouch. This is so exciting. Like, you don't have to be folding foil. You know how you fold foil, or when you don't have the leaves. This is really, really good. See, guys. So one thing you want to make sure is you don't overfill it. And again, these pouches can be used at least twice, at least. So you can actually use it, wash and reuse, you know. So I'm just gonna put some in here. Okay, add some chicken. Just add a bit more to cover. And we're good. So you just press it, it seals like so. So make sure it's completely sealed, completely. And then you let it deseal. Then you pop it in there. Look at my formation. Can you see? The moi moi cooking pouches in formation, guys. So all I have to do now is cover it, let it boil for like 30 minutes, and we have our moi moi. Yay, guys. So I think our moi moi is ready, and we're just gonna take it out. Ooh, look at that. Look at them, all lined up, so neat, no leakage whatsoever, guys. How do you cook moi moi? You're not seeing like beans and moi moi inside. Like, this is just amazing. So let's try it. All you have to do is just open the pouch like so. Then just bring it out, come closer. Wow, ready. Look at that. Look at that. So just get cutlery. So you know, you guys know I used dry beans, right? So I used beans flour. So that's why my moi moi has this color. It's so yummy. So yummy. This is amazing. Look at that. Everything's so nice and neat. So nice and neat. And you can reuse this. All you have to do is put some soap in it, wash it, and use it again. Simple. Life is easy. You don't have any leakages, nothing. Amazing. But this moi moi is slamming, sha. This is revolutionary. All right, guys, go to Moi Moi pouch and go order yours. They deliver all over the world. You can even buy it on Amazon. If you're in Nigeria, you can buy it. If you're in the UK, in the US, in Germany, in Canada, you can buy it. And this would literally change how you do moi moi. Moi moi will be so easy. You want to do it every day. All right, love you guys. Bye.